What I wish I knew before panicking about my dashcam. Most fixes are simple. Let's get yours working again. First, check if the dashcam is getting power. Look for any indicator lights when the car is on. No lights? Check if the power cable is securely plugged into the dashcam and the car's USB or power port. If the cable looks fine, try a quick reset. Most dashcams have a small reset button. Press it with a pin for a few seconds. Still nothing? Inspect the fuse box. A blown fuse can cut power to the dashcam. Check your owner's manual for the right location and swap in a new fuse if needed. If your dashcam powers on but isn't recording, the SD card might be the culprit. Eject it, check for damage, and reinsert it. If it's full or corrupted, try formatting or replacing it. And finally, check for software updates. Visit the dashcam manufacturer's website for the latest firmware and follow their instructions. If none of these steps work, it might be time to consult a professional or your dealership. Remember, most dashcam issues are quick fixes. Don't let a blank screen stress you out. Thanks for watching.